Hey there, welcome back to Company Sodi. Get ready, because today's video is packed with fascinating insights. We're diving deep into everything you need to know, from the latest updates shaking up the industry to key insights that could redefine the game. So, stick around and let's get started. And now, over to you. Thank you.
What is Boston Dynamics? Boston Dynamics is not just building robots, they're redefining what's possible with every breakthrough. Based in Waltham, Massachusetts, Boston Dynamics is leading the charge in the world of robotics, creating mobile, intelligent robots that perform feats once thought impossible. Their robots don't just walk, they run, jump, dance, and navigate complex environments with mind-blowing agility, perception, and dexterity. Imagine a world where robots aren't confined to factories or labs, they're integrated into real-world environments, assisting people in ways we've only seen in science fiction. That's the vision Boston Dynamics is making a reality right now. They're taking cutting-edge technology and transforming it into robots that can handle complex tasks in unpredictable environments. From humanoid robots to mobile manipulators, every creation is a step toward changing how we think about automation and artificial intelligence. Latest headlines: Boston Dynamics isn't just pushing the limits, they're shattering them. Here's what's making waves right now. Atlas goes production ready. The wait is over. After years of jaw-dropping demos, Boston Dynamics revealed its production-ready humanoid robot Atlas at CES 2026. This isn't just a demo anymore. Atlas is now a fully operational robot, designed to work alongside humans in factories, assist with complex tasks, and even handle extreme environments. The future is now. The Google DeepMind partnership. Hold on, it gets even better. Boston Dynamics has partnered with Google DeepMind to bring Gemini AI to its robots, unlocking a new level of intelligence, perception, and decision-making. This partnership will transform Atlas and other robots into machines that can think, adapt, and evolve in real time, solving complex problems on the fly. Robotics just got a whole lot smarter. Atlas takes the stage. You've seen the videos, but now Atlas is going beyond the screen. At CES 2026, Atlas showcased its full range of capabilities, walking, jumping, and performing complex tasks with unbelievable fluidity. This isn't science fiction anymore, it's the reality of robots that can perform in human environments, ready for the real world. Robots working in real factories by 2028. Parent company Hyundai Motor Group has laid out plans to deploy Atlas robots at its US manufacturing plant starting in 2028 to handle physically demanding tasks. This marks a shift from experimental robotics toward real operational use on the factory floor. These groundbreaking moments are just the tip of the iceberg. Boston Dynamics is setting the stage for a future where robots are more agile, more intelligent, and more capable than ever before.
In the hands of our customers.
Company culture. Boston Dynamics isn't just a robotics company, it's a playground for innovators. Here, engineers, scientists, and visionaries work together to push the boundaries of what's possible. The culture is built on passion, collaboration, and a shared mission to change the world. Every challenge is an opportunity, and every day is a chance to build something that has never been done before. Company information summary, website, link to bostondynamics.com. Industry, automation machinery manufacturing. Headquarters, Waltham, Ma. Company size, 501-1000 employees. Revenue, $131.7 million. Corporate hierarchy, subsidiary of Hyundai Motor Group. LinkedIn presence, approximately 1,377 associated professionals. Specialties, robotics, simulation. Don't forget to subscribe to Company Sodi for more informative and engaging content. See you in the next video.